Welcome to Bright Minds Learning. Together, let's explore the incredible journey from fertilization to implantation. After sexual activity, nearly 300 million sperm enter the vagina, but most are destroyed by its acidic environment. An egg is released from the ovary and enters the fallopian tube. There, one sperm may succeed in fission with it, triggering an instant block to all others. Their genetic material units forming a zygote with 46 chromosomes, the first cell of new life. Zygote wings rapid meiotic division called cleavage. After about 24 hours, it divides into 4 cell stages. In third day, the 4 cell stages continue to divide and transformed 8 cell stage. In fourth day, the 8 cell continue to divide into 16 cells, and then 32 cells stays forming a teeny ball of cells is called a morula. In fifth day, the morula continues divide and transform a hollow structure called blastocyst. During this time, it's traveling down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. Blastocysts are two main parts: the inner cell mass, which will become the embryo, and the trophoblast, which will form the placenta. The blastocyst is protected by a glycoprotein coat called the zona pellucida. In sixth day, the blastocyst seeds its zona pellucida, a process called hatching. In seventh day, the trophoblast then attaches to the uterine lining, and endometrium is differentiated into two layers: the cytotrophoblast and the syncytotrophoblast. The syncytotrophoblast invades the endometrium, securing the embryo and beginning the exchange of nutrients and signaling molecules. This one-week journey from fertilization to implantation brings the story of human life. Subscribe now to Bright Minds Learning, where knowledge comes alive.